Hello everyone, welcome to Mark Education Hub. Here, we provide online and offline assistance both for IELTS, OET and PTE. In this video, we will learn how to attempt apology letter in IELTS writing. The purpose of this letter is to apologize for a situation or behavior that has caused inconvenience or disappointment to the reader. So, when we have to start writing, again we have to follow three steps as in the previous writings. First thing is called the introduction, which should necessarily include opening and reason for apologize. That means you should directly apologize and explain the reason for it. For example, I am writing to sincerely apologize for missing the meeting last Thursday. Thereafter, we have to explain and express the reason of our regret, wherein make sure that you provide a brief explanation of why this issue has occurred. But please be careful to avoid making excuses and focus on expressing regret for the situation. For example, I had an emergency at work that required my immediate attention, which caused me to miss our scheduled meeting. I realize this must have been inconvenient for you. Thereafter, we have to always make a solution or an alternative to make it up. Like we have to offer a solution or suggestion how you can make up for the mistake. This shows your commitment to resolve the situation. For example, I would like to reschedule our meeting for next week at your convenience. Please let me know when would be the most suitable time for you. Now, let's have a quick go to the phrases that can be beneficial in writing apology letters. Point 1. When we have to make an opening or reason for apologize, we should always start a letter politely and explain the reason of writing. So, herein, the phrases that can be beneficial are I am writing to sincerely apologize for. I deeply regret to inform you that. Or I would like to offer my sincere apologies for. So, this will make your content more nicely and politely being spoken. Paragraph number 2, wherein you have to explain the situation in detail. Herein, we have to make sure that we are telling the reason or the cause of the situation and avoid making excuses along with giving a brief explanation of what actually happened. So, phrases can be unfortunately, due to whatever the content is, I was unable to, or due to an unexpected situation, I could not. I had an unforeseen issue that caused me loss. After explaining the situation, point 3 is offering a solution or an alternative. For example, to make up for this, I would like to suggest a solution you have thought about. I would appreciate the opportunity. Again, you can propose a solution here, or if it would be an acceptable for you, I would be happy to again suggest a solution. After doing so, we have to go to the closing paragraph wherein we have to end the letter politely with a sincere conclusion. For example, once again, I apologize for the inconvenience caused, or thank you for understanding and the patience in this matter. This gives a positive look to the letter. And do not forget to end your letter by signing off, like yours sincerely if you know the recipient's name, yours faithfully if you do not know him, or best regards if you're writing an informal letter. Now, let's have a look at the question with a sample answer. The question says, you missed a meeting with a colleague last Thursday due to unforeseen circumstances. Write a letter to your colleague wherein you have to apologize for missing the meeting and explain why you could not attend it. Also, describe how this might have caused inconvenience to your colleague and propose a way to reschedule the meeting. So, as I'm writing the letter to one of my colleague, definitely I must be knowing his name. So, this is a semi formal letter. So, I wrote, Dear Mr. Johnson. First paragraph states the purpose of the letter, which says, I am writing to sincerely apologize for missing our scheduled meeting last Thursday. Moving on to describing the situation. Unfortunately, due to an unexpected family emergency, I was unable to attend. I understand how this must have caused inconvenience to you, and I deeply regret any disruption that may have caused. To make up it, I would be happy to reschedule the meeting at your earliest convenience. Please let me know a time that works for you, and I'll ensure that I am available. Once again, I apologize for the inconvenience caused and appreciate your understandings. So, see, how easy is it for you to write a letter in IELTS general exam following simple tips and tricks? DM us for more strategies and quick evaluation of your writings.